Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make saltwater taffy. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, and 1 cup of water in a heavy saucepan. Make sure to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, have your favorite flavoring and food coloring ready for when the mixture is cooked. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now let's get cooking. Place your saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Stir constantly to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. You'll need to cook it until it reaches exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Once it hits that temperature, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in your desired flavoring and food coloring. Once cooked, carefully pour the hot taffy mixture onto a well-buttered surface, like a marble slab or baking sheet. Let it cool down until it's warm enough to handle comfortably, but not too cold. Now comes the fun part, pulling. Stretch and fold the taffy repeatedly, incorporating air until it becomes opaque, lighter in color, and much firmer. After pulling, it's time to cut your delicious taffy. Use buttered scissors to snip the long rope into 1-inch pieces. Wrap each piece individually in wax paper to keep them from sticking together. For storage, place your wrapped taffy in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will stay fresh for several weeks. And hey, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.